La 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 bored. I'm so bored. Hey, it's a cop that talks. Hi, who are you? I'm a bird. Yeah, I think I know that. Can I get a drink? Sure, I don't really care. Okay, thank you. Oh, no. I talk, and if I drown, it's your fault. Okay. I won't use you. I'll use this cup. No, not Timmy. Oh, you don't want me to hurt Timmy now, don't you? So how am I going to get a drink then? I don't know. Go to a water fountain? We don't have a water fountain. Fine. Hey, cup. What? Hey, cup. What? Can I put juice in you then? No. Hey, cup. Can I put milk in you? No. Can I put soda in you? No. Hey, cup. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna beat you up now. Hey, cup. What? Oh no. Oh, I don't like it when it happens. This happens to cups. Hey, cup. What? What is it? Increase it a little bit. Whoa, he went down the drain. Ooh. Oh, you got out. Oh, I don't feel so good. That's because Fish came. What? Oh well, I guess he's pretty seasick after that.